So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to measure your transmission fluid for Honda Odyssey 2007. This is good for Odyssey 2005 to 2010, and I believe even the newer Hondas. The location to open the hood is right where your parking brake is. Okay, now let's go back to the hood. So in your hood, you should have a latch right here in the middle. Push it up and pull your hood up. That is the latch. This is the latch that you push as you open your hood. Okay, and then your dipstick is located over there, right next to your battery. It's a yellow loop. The orange loop is for the oil. So to change or to check the transmission fluid, it's a yellow loop. So according to the manual, you want to run your vehicle until it's warm or the fan has turned on. Then turn it back off and then wait around 60 seconds to pull the dipstick out, and basically between 60 and 90 seconds, that's when you want to do your reading. Okay, so let's do our reading right now. So what I want to do is use a white paper towel. First is you want to dry it off. Okay, then now you dip it again. And then pull it back up. And that's when you do your reading. So right now it shows that I'm right there, between the two dots, so which is good. On the other side it's higher, so you always want to check the lower side, so if you have that. Okay, so right now I have a good reading for my transmission fluid. You want to check your transmission fluid quality also. So mine still good. It's a little brown, but it's not dark, so I'm gonna need to replace this again within a couple of months, and I'll do a video on that next time I do it.